The new AI sensation. Chat GPT is quickly gaining popularity and taking the world by storm. Even the industry leaders, marketers, and many experts from different sectors are talking about it. If you are not familiar with the concept, don't worry at all, because we already published 2 videos about Chat GPT. Links are on the description. In this video, we're going to talk about something super cool: how to use Chat GPT for coding. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, we'd love to have you on board. This is the perfect time to join our community and stay in the loop with all the exciting things we have in store. Now, shall we see how to use Chat GPT for coding? Before we dive in, I just want to mention that Chat GPT is an awesome AI language model that can really make coding easier. It's not meant to replace your traditional coding skills, but it can help automate certain parts of the process and save you some precious time and energy. So it's best used in conjunction with your regular coding techniques. With that said, let's take a quick look at some of the ways Chat GPT can give you a hand with coding. The first way to use Chat GPT for adding comments to the code. Adding comments to code is a good practice that helps to enhance the readability of your code. First, provide a natural language description of the code if you want to add a comment. For example, there is a code that calculates the sum of 2 numbers and add a description like this. Please write a function in Python that gets 2 numbers as input and gives their sum. Then ChatGPT will comment on your code like this. As you can see, it is a simple comment. But if you need a more detailed one, provide a more detailed description. Remember that the comments generated by ChatGPT depend on the input you provide. And those comments will not always be perfect for a code. So review those comments carefully to determine if they describe the purpose of your code. The second way is generating code snippet. You can create code snippets by using ChatGPT. For instance, if you like to read a CSV file and figure out the average value of the price column in Python, describe the task you want to complete in natural language to ChatGPT. Say this in text form. Produce Python code that reads a CSV file and computes the average value of the price column. Once you typed in your natural language description, ChatGPT will analyze the data and produce the appropriate code snippet. Next, you can do brainstorming ideas for coding projects. When you work on coding projects, you may lack ideas or inspiration. But now you can use ChatGPT to get suggestions and insights. Let's see how ChatGPT will give me fresh ideas. I am going to type, "Can you give me ideas for my next coding project?" and enter. See how it gives me a bunch of coding project ideas. This is incredible. You can describe the purpose of your project, the tools and programming languages you use, and the obstacles you faced while doing the project. Based on that, ChatGPT will recommend alternative strategies or solutions, direct you to relevant tools, or offer general guidance on the best practices for your particular programming language. The responses produced by ChatGPT are based on patterns it has learned from a lot of text data. So it may not be updated on the best practices, emerging technologies, or modern programming techniques. So it's wise to double-check any advice offered by ChatGPT. ChatGPT can be a useful tool for spotting potential problems and making suggestions for fixes, but it cannot replace a human programmer. ChatGPT can be a helpful tool for programmers looking to stay current and advance their skills as programming languages and best practices continue to change. What do you think about using ChatGPT for coding? Comment your ideas and we would love to see those. See you again in another video.